Are you a small business owner feeling overwhelmed by taxes? You're not alone. Taxes can be intimidating, but ignoring them can lead to hefty penalties. Our goal is to help you navigate the world of taxes with confidence. In this video, we cover the major types of taxes small businesses may owe in the U.S. Having this knowledge will enable you to plan effectively and communicate with your tax advisor. First, let's discuss federal income tax. All U.S. businesses must pay this. Depending on your business structure, the way you report varies. Sole proprietorships and single-member LLCs report income on your personal return using Form 1040, Schedule C. Partnerships and multi-member LLCs file Form 1065 as profits pass through to personal returns. S corporations use Form 1120-S, and C corporations file Form 1120 paying corporate taxes directly. Now, if you're self-employed, self-employment tax applies. This tax covers both the employer and employee portions of Social Security and Medicare, totaling 15.3% of your net earnings. Sole proprietors, partners, and LLC members report this using Schedule SE with their personal return. Next, let's talk about state income tax. Most states require tax on business profits, but rates and regulations vary. States like Texas, Washington, and Florida don't have personal income tax, but may impose other business taxes. Corporations might also face separate state corporate income tax. Do you sell goods or services? If so, you may need to collect and remit sales tax to your state and possibly local tax authority. Sales tax rules vary significantly. Before collecting tax, register for a sales tax permit. You might encounter use tax as well, which applies when you buy goods without paying sales tax. For example, purchasing office furniture from an out-of-state vendor may require you to report and pay use tax. Excise taxes could also come into play, specifically for certain goods like fuel, tobacco, and alcohol. Reporting for this tax is typically done using IRS Form 720. Another tax to consider is franchise tax. Despite the name, it's not just for franchises. States like Delaware and California charge it for the privilege of doing business there, based on revenue or assets rather than income. If you have employees, payroll taxes are crucial. This includes withholding and matching federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare taxes, along with paying federal unemployment tax, FUTA. These taxes must be reported on Form 941 and Form 940. Don't forget local business taxes. Cities and counties can impose additional fees such as gross receipts taxes or local sales tax add-ons. Always check local regulations when registering and expanding your business. To effectively manage your taxes, maintain organized bookkeeping. Set aside money regularly for estimated taxes and keep your finances separate. Record tax-deductible expenses carefully and file on time to avoid penalties. Remember, handling taxes doesn't have to be overwhelming. Consulting a qualified tax professional can ensure you cover all bases and comply with regulations in every state. For more help, download our free small business tax checklist to stay organized year-round. You run your business. Let us help you make sense of the numbers. Subscribe for more tips.